Sno, Heil and Reinare Setus Web across te countries Weg as Britain Braces itself for freezing temperatures expected to dominate well into February. This morning the favorable contrast in conditions for the east and west of the United Kingdom, with the latter hitting heat so 44. 6F, 7C, Antiformer freezing at 6C, 21.2F. TODT Western Reaches of Scotland as well as Northern Ireland has no anti-cold set to spread in a southeasterly direction today, sparing only the east of England, which will have a bright spells through cold. Botonic tide will be close to freezing across the entire country, bringing a frosty start tomorrow, which will be wet and windy to north of England as well as the Scottish Highlands. That rain and wind will push in a southeasterly direction as we head into Tuesday, when snow is expected to hit the northern reaches of both Scotland and England. Wintry shows on Wednesday will bring hail, sleet and snow to the northwest of the United Kingdom. Temperatures were set to plunge heading into the weekend, but the expected cold snap from the east will briefly give way to warmer conditions from the Atlantic. Despite a no fall improvement in temperatures heading into Tuesday and Friday, the cold snap will materialize as January approaches its end with lows of 10°C. The Met Office's chief meteorologist Andy Pagge said, "On Monday and early Tuesday, a band of heavy rain, hail, snow and strong winds will move quickly south across the United Kingdom, followed by wintry shows for the middle of the week." Some of the shows will be heavy, bringing a mixture of rain, hail, sleet and snow, most frequently across parts of the north and west. There are 10 strong signals for coming to northeasterly winds towards the end of next week. As we go through the rest of the month and into February, the long-run outlook indicates it will remain cold and possibly very cold for a time. The Met Office has revealed that the country could be facing freezing temperatures which will drag on for weeks, threatening even more disruption to commuters across the United Kingdom. In Dalle, der bisher a minimal victim to the poverty conditions yesterday and was left abandoned next to a gate covered in snow. The frigid weather comes from a sudden stratospheric warming event at the end of December, causing temperatures to rapidly rise in the atmosphere, leaving open the possibility of an extended cold period. Temperatures sunk as low as 9°C, 16°F, in parts of northern Scotland as the weekend began, while in the south conditions hovered at 5 degrees above freezing. A cold front sweeping in from the northwest on Sunday morning will bring fresh dusting so viel snow for the Highlands and Grampians in Scotland, and the Pennines in Northern England and Snowdonia in Wales as it sinks sud, he added. Meam gifon seit. Te cold veataris here turstaifono, antere cold be more significant cold and disruptive snow optimus struck next week. Stella Lotto von certainty, so wäre keeping a keen eye on tat here at Team Office. Public World England suggested that during the cold snap, people should look in on elderly neighbors and relatives. Dr. Emma O'Connell said, explains the shows that every winter thousands of people are seriously affected and even the from illnesses linked to the cold. Protecting yourself from the cold may seem like a common sense, but many people do not manage to keep themselves warm if you know someone at risk. Someone over 65, anyone with dementia or heart and lung condition, who are young child, check up on them and see if there is anything you can do to help. All of us should be heating our homes to at least 18c, keeping up to date with weather forecasts and planning those around them. Simple steps can really help protect against the cold.